A very good morning, children. In today's video, we are going to talk about e-commerce, that is meaning of e-tailing, e-advertising, e-marketing and e-security. In the first class, in the previous class, we had spoken about e-commerce. E-commerce is what? Electronic, that is using computer, internet for doing business, right? So here we'll be dealing with e-tailing, e-advertising, e-marketing and e-security. It is the meaning of this in the syllabus, as per the syllabus. E-tailing. What is e-tailing? Electronic retailing or e-tailing is the sale of goods and services through the internet. Okay. E-tailing can include like business to business, like it's from one businessman to another, or business to consumers. Okay, sales of products and services. Either they do it people to people, like it's business to business, or to the directly to the customer. E-tailing requires company to tailor their business models to capture internet sales, which can include building out distribution channels such as warehouse, internet web pages and product shipping centers, isn't it? This is also a very important thing. Like you can the best business you can do is, you get the example for this is Amazon, Flipkarts. All these are the ways through which people do e-commerce or e-tailing. Then e-advertising. Online advertising is a marketing strategy that involves the use of internet as a medium to obtain website traffics and target and deliver marketing messages to the right customers. Online advertising is geared towards defining markets through unique and useful application, isn't it? Through net. Nowadays all people are computer savvy and most of them are very well versed with this gadget, and internet is the best method to popularize your product all over the world. Either you email to them or you send them messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. You have blogs where you can do your advertisement, right? Next you have is e-marketing. What is e-marketing? E-marketing or electronic marketing are also known as internet marketing, web marketing, digital marketing or online marketing. E-marketing is a process of marketing a product or service using the internet, isn't it? E-market is not only includes marketing on the internet but also includes marketing done via emails and wireless media. It uses a range of technologies to help connect businesses to their customers. How can you deal it? Like for example, now your birthday is nearing by and you want to get some dresses, so that can be done online immediately. That is, you select your clothes, your range, everything you can write in the internet, and whichever service you can choose, either Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, whichever you feel like, and then you can easily do your shopping, right? E-security. Now what do you mean by security? Security as it pertains to the internet, such as information security. Whatever information is shared about a company can be, people can even snatch away the important rules, or they can, hacking. That's the best, you can use the exact word for that. They get all the information, all the secrecy of the company can be revealed through it. So every organization has their e-security, electronic security system. It refers to any electronic equipment that could perform security operations like surveillance, access control, alarming, or an intrusion control to a facility or an area which uses a power from main, and also a power backup like battery, etc. It also includes some of the operations such as electrical, mechanical, gear. Determination of type of security system is purely based on the area to be protected and its threat. They all have a proper security, that nobody can open the lock, because a company's life depends upon. Because if you are doing through internet marketing, all your data and the information can be leaked out. Okay, so for any e-commerce, this e-security plays a very important role. and it is mandatory for any e-commerce industries to have e-securities, right? In the next class we are going to talk about